Hello everyone, Ian from ianknable.com with the next in our series of getting your website up and running. Today we're going to go over the very important task of installing WordPress. So you've gone through, bought your sexy new domain, you've organized your hosting. Now it's time to install WordPress. So you log into your CPanel via your hosting provider, which I've done here, and then we scroll all the way down to the bottom to this section here, Softaculous Apps Installer, and click on WordPress. And this is the next screen that pops up. It's pretty straightforward. We're going to click Install Now. Now, if your site has SSL, which I recommend it does for e-commerce sites, you need to pick the HTTPS profile. You can have a www in front of it, or you can not have a www. It's not as important as it used to be, and I would run with that. But this is just a dummy test site that I'm setting up and running through things with you on. So I'll just be picking the HTTP://. I then pick the domain I want to install it on, which is imaginatively called just a demo site.xyz, which I purchased through Crazy Domains recently. In directory, we leave that blank. You then scroll down to site name. I'm going to call it Ian's Demo Site, and you can call yours, normally would be something along the line of the name of the site. And site description, this is a demo site for coaching. Now this does show up, so you want to put some thought and effort into it and get it meaningful for your business. Okay, don't recommend this enable multi-site. If you've only got one, you don't need to worry about it, but for multiple sites, I don't think they've quite got all the bugs out of that yet. Admin name, so this is when you go to log into your site, you'll need to put in an admin name and a password. Obviously I'm hiding these for security reasons. There is that 1 in 100 people out there that will take this information, try and get into my site and hack it and fill it full of porn or spam or whatever else gives them a jolly. So this will be hidden. I suggest you have a text file open that you've either already come up with your admin username and password in, or as you type them in here, you copy and paste into a text document before you finish and hit install, so that you make sure you don't forget them. So I'm just going to run with something here. There is this little key over on the side that you can use to generate a secure password, and that will be one full of upper and lower case. It will have special characters, it will have numbers in it, and it's really quite strong. So if you feel more comfortable using that to make sure you've got a strong password, feel free to do so. I'm just copying these over now. You do not want to lose these, or you will be in a bit of a pickle. You can see it has a default email address for admin that it sets up. I just recommend leaving that alone. This select plugins with the loginizer, I would definitely tick that to help when people are trying to log into your WordPress page, that they get locked out after a certain amount of failed efforts. And then theme, so you can install whatever you like. There are dozens and dozens to pick from. It doesn't matter, you're not locked into it. You can change it every week if you want to, every day if you want to. There's a million of them available, but I'll pick this one today. the pixel linear, and then I also recommend down the bottom here where it says email installation details, stick in your email there and make sure you get the installation details sent to you as a backup. We're ready to go, and we now hit install. Let's check in the submitted data. This will take a while. It does take a few minutes, so I'll pause the video and come back when we're done. Okay, it has now finished going through, and we get the message here: congratulations, the installation was installed successfully. And this is the site that if we go to, we can have a look at what it looks like in a moment. The administration URL. Also write this down or copy and paste this. This is where you will go to log in to administer, change, alter, update, add all your content. This is where you'll go to log in using the admin and password we generated earlier. And if you're feeling really generous, you can hit the tweet button to tell people you've just installed WordPress via Softaculous. But I don't bother about that. So that's it. We are done. WordPress is now installed. And if we go and click at my Just a Demo site, we can see what it looks like. And that's it. Plain and boring. So the next series of videos, and there will be quite a few of them, will be going through and teaching how to build your WordPress website so it goes from looking like this to looking like something meaningful and useful. Never fear, it is not as bad, it is not as hard as you may think with WordPress. It's really quite simple, and we'll get into that in the next video. There you go, folks. You now have WordPress installed on your new domain. That's it for now. Talk soon. Cheers.